In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add forms onto PowerPoint, an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their presentations with interactive elements. Whether you're facilitating a training session, gathering feedback, or engaging your audience in a new way, incorporating forms can be a game changer. Let's dive into this process step by step to ensure you're set up for success. First, let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. You can find PowerPoint in your list of programs or search for it in your Start menu. Once your application is open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you wish to enhance with forms. If you haven't already prepared a presentation, you can start a new one by selecting New Presentation and setting up your slides according to your needs. With your presentation open, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the Home tab in the PowerPoint ribbon. This is where you'll find a collection of tools that make your deck more dynamic. Once you're there, you're going to look for the Add-ins feature. Add-ins are powerful tools that expand the functionality of PowerPoint by allowing you to integrate third-party applications directly into your presentations. Click on Add-ins, and you'll see a menu that helps you manage or find new add-ins. What we want to do here is search for forms, type forms into the search bar, and you'll see a list of options pop up, including the Microsoft Forms add-in. This is the tool we're aiming to integrate. Once you've located Microsoft Forms, click on Add. This action installs the Forms add-in directly into your PowerPoint, enabling you to embed interactive forms into your slides. You'll know it's ready to use when you see the Microsoft Forms icon appear on your PowerPoint ribbon under Insert. Now comes the exciting part, embedding your form. You'll need a link to a form you've already created using Microsoft Forms. Open your web browser, go to Microsoft Forms, and if you haven't created a form yet, don't worry. It's a straightforward process and you can design one tailored precisely to your presentation's needs. Once you have your form link, go back to PowerPoint and paste this link into the designated area that pops up after you click on the Microsoft Forms icon. PowerPoint will automatically embed the form onto your slide, making it accessible and interactive for your audience. This embedded form will function seamlessly, allowing users to respond directly while viewing your presentation. And that's it, you've successfully integrated a form into your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, using forms not only adds a layer of interactivity, but also engages your audience in a meaningful way by gathering real-time responses and feedback. I hope you find this feature as empowering as I do. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next presentation.